Hey guys, today we're doing floating candles. So, these are the adult versions used for weddings and parties. And these are kids versions, which are used for birthday parties. So, these are the stuff you'll need to make one. You'll need water, jars or glass or anything that's clear and that's like a jar-like thing. Some toys, candles, rocks or glass beads or anything that's like these, a lighter. Make sure to have an adult with you. And that's it. Let's get started. So first, put in your toy and then you hold it in. Then you have to get a handful of the beads. Then you just put them up to the knee if it's a person. So then, we'll try doing this. You'll have to use So, now, this is where the fun begins. You have to dump in the water. Dump, 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 dump. Make sure it's the appropriate height. What do you want it to be? Please do not float. Wow, that. Fun begins now. You put the candle in. I'm gonna take this from this. Shh, don't tell anybody. So, if you want to light it up, you can just like light it up, and there you go. So, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And please don't forget to keep on watching me. And shout out to my subscribers. I love you guys. Bye!